Okay, I'm heading towards the waterfall. It's unbelievable. It really is. Here's our lighting system. Still there. It's so cold here, I can't tell you. It is very, very, very cold. Everything has ice on it. I'll come back and film it on high quality later. It is just amazing. There's a mist kicking up. I don't know if you can see the mist kicking up here in the sun. The mist is just freezing everything. If you had a house here, you'd be covered in ice. Very big river here. Very big. I am being covered in ice as I speak. It is amazing. There's the house. Now these pictures might not be that good because I have it on low quality. Here's the river here doing the reach around. Doing the reach around the tree here. Oh, that's a tree that's coming down right there. Right next to that tree. I'm going to put it on pause now.